Hey, good morning. Spiker 4440, Mike's Guns and Bows. I'm Mike. Today we got a few packages in and we're going to do some unboxing and see what we have. We were away down the Chesapeake Bay for a week crabbing, so we come back to some shipments we got in, so we'll go ahead and take a look what we got. See the first box from FedEx. CDNN wholesaler packing slip. See what we got here. (1911) 45 ACP from Zenith. Some grips. Hold on, let me adjust the camera so we can see what we got. They're looking at my ugly mug. Wow, she's in there tight, boy. Ooh, ain't that pretty. Let's check her out here. Make sure she's empty. Drop the mag. Zenith Firearms, 1911, and the customer bought the wooden US grips to change out these plastic ones. It's got the hollowed out lightweight trigger. Pretty basic 1911. 3-dot sights. Ambi safety. Ambidextrous hollowed out hammer. Your grip safety, won't fire. Pretty nice. Comes with an extra mag. Holds it back. Looks a little stiff. Looks like it's a 8-round magazine. Little cleaning cloth. Comes with a cleaning brush and a storage padlock cable. Place for rounds. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and let that hammer down. We'll get it ready for the customer to do the transfer. Manual. Let's get some specs. So basically what it is, it's just a 45 ACP. I don't know if you can see it here. I'm going the wrong way here. The camera could capture it on that shiny. Maybe not. But right here it has 45 ACP automatic Colt pistol. And pretty nice deal. Manual. Just pretty basic. Before using your pistol, it goes down. There's your basic 45 1911. We also got a package from Numerich. I already opened it up. It's a magazine I needed for a 222 Remington Savage rifle. I believe it's a 340B rifle. Yeah, that's what I got it for, and that's that magazine. Keep all this stuff together. Need that box. And we got a package here. Let's see what we have. So right back to business for Mike's Guns and Bows. We have a little vacation time. Now back to work here. This is from CNC Warrior. Oh, it's a milled receiver. Serial numbered. That's for 7.62 by 39 CNC Warrior. Model AKEO2. Pretty nice. Keep the paperwork on it. It's AK-Echo 02. And just some more information on about CNC Warrior. Anyway, that's it for today. So we have some work ahead of us. One more thing. We also picked up this Colt pistol. Single action. And this is a Colt 22. It's a Frontier Scout Model 62 from Colt. Pretty beat up. The customer wants it to be Duracoated with Duracoat's bluing. They got a paint that comes out like a really high gloss blue. You'll see Colt will rotate clockwise. It's a little stiff action. Probably have to look at that a little bit once we take it apart. And Duracoat's really nice. You can put Duracoat on this and it'll actually still show your Colt symbol. We'll have to do some work on the grips to clean them up a little bit, but pretty much it's in pretty good shape. Now I know a lot of people are worried about me pointing that barrel at myself, but I already went over this gun and made sure it was safe. So anyway, thanks for watching Mike's Guns and Bows at Spiker 4440. I'm Mike. Have a great day.